Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Tanveer Akbar Rawal. Today I am going to share you how to prevent yourself from COVID-19 pandemic that is spreading worldwide by using Betadine gargle. It contains povidone iodine germicidal 2%, available in mint flavor. This is simple solution for corona disinfection at home. Take 5 ml of Betadine gargle. You need to add equal amount of water. 5 ml water. Take a swab of earbud. Dip it. Lie on one side of your nostril. Dip the other side too and clean other side too. Discard it in dustbin. For the remaining liquid in your mouth, rinse it as per the width. Spit out the liquid after gargling as seen in this video.
If you are COVID positive, you need to do it 4 times a day. If you are a healthcare worker or any person attending your duties, do it once before going out on a duty, during the duty if it is more than 6 hours, and once immediately after reaching home. If you are at home, you can do it twice, once after breakfast and another just before sleeping.